Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you some new features in Movie Studio 17. The ones I want to concentrate on today are the title effects. You got some real cool title effects in Movie Studio 17 now. And one of my favorite ones is the typing effect. And in Vegas Pro, the only way to create this was with ProType Titler. But now you can do it in Movie Studio, and it's really cool. I'll show you some of these animations. So here I have some text, just Movie Studio 17. Now, all these are all located under animation. When you're doing the text, if you click on animation, these ones here are old, but the ones that say Title 1 through 25, these are all new. These are all brand new for Movie Studio 17. So let's go through these, and I'll show you them. Okay, this black box will disappear once I close this window out, but just for effect's sake, I'm just going to show you the effects, just a few of these effects, so you get the idea. Let's play this out. It's not bad. Number 2. Not bad. It's not bad. Here's my favorite one. This one's gonna rock. Add a typing effect in there. That will look awesome. In Vegas Pro, the only way you get a real good typing effect is either animating, or I'm not animating, is go to ProType Titler in Vegas Pro 16. Vegas Pro 17, you have to go under depreciated, I think it's depreciated assets, and select ProType Titler. And, or you can mask out each letter and do it manually. But this is really cool for Movie Studio 17. It's all you need to do is a typing effect, and this is going to sound. This is going to look really, really, really good. It's a real cool title. It's a real cool effect in Movie Studio. That's probably one of my most favorite features right now in this program. Let's take a look at a few more here. Not bad. I'm not going to go through all of these, so I'll let you guys check them out on your own. That's not bad. 7. So a lot of cool titles, real cool titles. It's nice. I'm not going to go through all these. I'm just going to bore you guys. Don't know where that one went. 10. Not bad. 11. This should be spaced out a little bit more afterwards. 12. 13 looks like 13. It's not bad. 14. Not bad. Jump all the way to the end. 25. It's not bad. My favorite one is this one here. 4. This is really cool. That's really cool. I really like that. So, these are the new title effects in Movie Studio 17. If you're thinking of upgrading, in my opinion, it's well worth the upgrade to go to 17. There's a link below if you want to download a trial version of Movie Studio 17. So just wanted to just pass along this tip to you guys, showing you the title effects in Movie Studio 17. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.